My beloved child, be still for a moment and let your heart rest in my presence. Set aside the noise, the distractions, and the endless worries that have occupied your mind. This moment is not an accident. I have drawn you here because I want to remind you of something your heart desperately needs to hear. I have never left you. I have seen every burden you have carried in silence. I know the nights when sleep escaped you and the mornings when you smiled despite feeling exhausted inside. Nothing about your journey has been hidden from me. Every tear, every prayer, every quiet act of faith has been precious in my sight. Do not believe the lie that you have been forgotten. While you waited, I was working. While you questioned whether anything was changing, I was arranging circumstances beyond your understanding. My timing is never late, and my plans for you remain secure. There will be moments when uncertainty surrounds you, but do not allow fear to become your guide. Instead, seek my wisdom. I will give you discernment without filling your heart with anxiety. Walk closely with me, and I will show you the next step at the right time. Guard your peace. Not every conflict deserves your attention, and not every voice deserves your trust. Fill your home with prayer, gratitude, and my word. Let your heart become a place where my peace can dwell. When you invite me into every part of your life, fear loses its grip and hope begins to grow again. Release bitterness, even when forgiveness feels difficult. Holding on to resentment only keeps old wounds alive. Place every disappointment into my hands, for I am both just and merciful. I know what has been done against you, and I will deal with it in my perfect wisdom. You do not need to carry the burden of judgment. Remember how many times I have already sustained you. There were dangers you never saw, because my hand was protecting you. There were doors I closed because they would have led you away from my best. There were delays that became blessings, though you could not see at the time. Now I am preparing you for a new season. The hardships you have endured have strengthened your character, deepened your faith, and equipped you for what lies ahead. What once felt like a setback will become part of the testimony that reveals my faithfulness. Do not cling to yesterday's disappointments. I am inviting you to trust me with open hands. Faith is not the absence of questions. It is a decision to keep walking with me even when every answer has not yet appeared. As you move forward, choose kindness over resentment, prayer over panic, and hope over fear. These choices will shape your heart for the blessings I am preparing. Continue to seek me each day, and my spirit will guide you with wisdom, peace, and strength. The future I have prepared for you is not built upon your failures, but upon my faithfulness. My grace is greater than your regrets, and my purpose is stronger than your past. Keep your eyes on me, and I will lead you one step at a time. You are loved beyond measure. You are never abandoned. You are never beyond my reach. Walk forward with confidence, knowing that I am your refuge, your strength, and your constant companion. Trust me today, tomorrow, and in every season to come, for I am making all things new in my perfect time and my child. Stop what you are doing for you, and I need to talk right now. Set everything else aside and listen closely, because I am not speaking to a crowd in this moment. I am speaking to you. I have watched what you've been enduring, and I never wanted your trials to press you this hard. But the enemy has pushed too far, and I will not stand back any longer. I am stepping in, and I have made a very serious decision about your life. Hear these words all the way to the end, because near the end I will place a key in your hands. It is the music, key to the rescue you have been begging me for. If you turn away too soon, you will walk past the door I'm about to open. So, quiet your mind, open your heavy heart. Stay with me until the last word has been spoken. This is not an ordinary moment, and these are not ordinary words. A decree has gone out from my throne concerning your future, and it cannot be recalled. I have weighed music, every hidden battle you fought when no one else was in the room. I have heard every question you whispered into the dark when you believed you were alone. You were never alone. I was closer than the breath in your chest. But before I tell you what I have decided, I must warn you about something, and I need you to receive it with a steady heart. There is a scheme moving quietly near your home. Someone you have trusted has been listening to a voice that is not mine. Plans have been whispered behind closed doors. Plans that touch your peace, your place, and what I have given into your keeping. I am not telling you this to frighten you. I am telling you because I see what is hidden, and nothing planned in darkness escapes my sight. Do not try to guess the name. Do not turn your mind into a courtroom. That is not your assignment. Your assignment is to draw close to me, music, because I am your defender and I alone see the whole picture. The ones who plot in secret believe they are clever. They do not know that I have already read every page of their plan, and I have already written its ending. My decision did not come from anger. It did not come from impatience. It was born from my deep and unshakable love for you, and from the purpose I wrote into your life long ago. I stood beside you in the bitter seasons when you thought I was far away. I turned aside dangers you never saw coming. I held your mind together when the weight of life pressed down on you like a stone. Now, the time has come for me to act in a way that will leave no doubt in you or in anyone who watches you that I am with you and I am for you. What I have decided will shift the ground beneath your path. It will close doors that were never meant to hold you, doors that kept you circling through worry and lack. It will open doors you believe were sealed forever. It will separate you from what drains you and carry you into the places you were made for. I do not speak these words lightly. I speak them so your heart can be ready for the change. I know how tired you are. I know about the smile you wear so others will not worry, and the questions you carry when the house goes quiet at night. You have been running on almost nothing for a long time. Hear me, my child.